Hello everyone, dear Stockler community. We are here in our logistics warehouse in Lers, in the north of France, to present to you a new lot from the vendor Grover. Grover, as a reminder, is the European leader in the sale and rental of high-tech products. So here I'll show you a new batch of electric scooters. These electric scooters were rented by Grover, and this lot of electric scooters is non-functional. Non-functional means you might have electrical components that are dead, spare parts that no longer work, or quite simply the scooter won't turn on anymore. So this is an ideal lot for refurbishers, for resellers, for spare parts, everything that will be useful to you then to revalue the scooters. So I'm going to show you each scooter one by one so that you can get a much better idea of the overall quality. Now we can see that the entire scooter is in pretty good aesthetic condition, but as a matter of fact, these scooters do not work anymore. So that is everything for the very first scooter. You can take a closer look at all the details. We can specifically see that the frame and the wheels are actually in quite good condition, and it is exactly the same for this one here.
So it's a scooter that has some minor aesthetic imperfections, but in pretty good shape.
Now here is a third sample where, as you can clearly see, the scooter, just like the previous ones we have looked at, has very few technical defects, or rather very few aesthetic defects to speak of at all, actually.
But it won't turn on.
Obviously, most of them will be delivered in their original packaging. For some, you will find the batteries included as well as the screws. And so for the last scooter, where indeed we have a few technical flaws, well, aesthetic flaws on the frame, but for the rest, the spare parts can be completely reused to be resold or even used to repair other scooters. So that's it for this new batch. Of course, I invite you to download the detailed listing from Excel. You'll also find the rental times for each product, which will give you a bit more detail. And anyway, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer service via chat. And there you go. Happy bidding and see you on Stockler.